Show them. You gotta show them the wig. You gotta turn it around. Go like this. This is what they sent. Hey, everybody.
Hey, Bobby.
So Janet Collection sent these wigs. You just threw it on the floor like that?
Yes.
I'm from South Florida, so I'm used to storms. She from California, says it ain't the norm. Says men always wanna chase her. If you love her once, won't ever replace her. Earthquakes, they don't shake her, but she says my words break her walls down, brick by brick.
So we're about to do an unboxing because I just came back, so we got loads of packages, right? What? One of the packages fell? One of the packages fell down there?
Yes.
He said it did.
There's no package down there.
Tinky said the package fell down there. Did the package fall down there?
No, there is no package.
Okay, so we got some packages. Tinky's gonna help me unbox the packages. You wanna just walk on the packages?
No, cut.
He's got. What's this? First, let's see what this is. Come on. Okay, let's see what this is. This is from the Janet Collection. All right.
Okay.
So we got something from the Janet Collection. Well, you can't be in the way of the camera, homeboy. Look, you trying to open it with that fork? Well, I'm gonna use this knife that Mumsy gave me. This dull knife. Okay, you gonna say hi to everybody? Say hi.
Hi.
They can't even see you.
Fly out. Feed it.
Right there. Right here. Where you going? No, right here.
Feed it.
No, I don't need you to fix it. Just say hi.
Hi. Sure.
Okay, look. They sent me these wigs.
Sure. Say hi.
He said say hi. This
Yeah.
is going to be an informal unboxing.
Okay.
Your turn.
Hi. My boy.
Everybody, right?
Hi. Good
Right.
boy.
Good girl. Look, so they sent me. Grandma doesn't want to be on the camera. She's
Mama,
look. This is what they said.
Hi.
Hi, Tinky. It's his turn.
Yeah.
Look, so this is what they
Mama,
sent me. Show. Hi, everybody.
Oh.
Hi. Okay, I'm the director. You're the director.
Sure.
Look, this is what they sent here. They sent me this, so you can show it to the camera. Show everybody. Show everybody.
Hi, Bobby.
Show them. You gotta show them the wig. You gotta turn it around. Go like this. This is what they sent. Hey, everybody.
Hey, Bobby.
So Janet Collection sent these wigs. You just threw it on the floor like that?
Yes.
And this. So what we got? We got a Janet Collection wigs. And this is the Kiss Part Orbit. I don't know about the parts. And this one is the Kiss Part Diamond. Oh no, shell. Okay, the color is diamond. I don't even know what a diamond color is, but yes, this is diamond. Okay. Okay, so now, no, you can't do the knife part, boy. Okay, you can't. I'll do this. Let's see. No, we can't use plastic forks. So now we got something from Amazon. Let's see.
Ma.
Watch out. I'm gonna open it with the dull knife. Okay.
And then body.
No, don't shake it. Don't shake it. Don't do that. Don't mess with the lens.
Hello, body.
Don't touch it. Okay, so look. Where are you going? Okay, so this is a ham swan. Where you at? Coffee maker. I have like the worst unboxing helper in the world. Right, Mumsy? This is nice. So it's a ham swan single serve coffee maker. And it works with ground coffee and K-cups. Super nice. Thank you. I forget the seller's the company's name that sent me this, but I'll do a video on it soon. So we have this. What else? Oh, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Mr. Then we have some Unibarns. I don't really know what this is inside here. I'm just gonna open it up. Tinky, you're a horrible host. Hair from Eunice. And let's see, what did they send me? I have 3 bundles of, I think this is body wave. 3 bundles of body wave and a frontal. So we got that. Are you supposed to be helping? Hello? Oh, you suck at hosting. Okay, I'm just doing this by myself. Oh, we got a AliExpress box. I don't really know what's in here. It's like some shit. Get out of there. What is this? Okay, so I've been waiting for this for a minute. Hair VB. Tinky, get that off your head. So they changed their box up. Come over here. So I got a lace wig from Hair VB. Oh my god. So I'm so excited about it. Oh my goodness. Look at the wig I got. Hello. Look, isn't this nice?
Yes.
This one is nice. By Hair. Hello, you are in the way. You cannot do that for the video. Okay, with a comb. No, would you move? And some clips. By Tinky. So from Hair VV or Hair Bye Bye, I will do a video on this. I don't really want to take it out, but I have heard good things about their stuff. This is nice. I have to do this video like tomorrow or the day after. Nice. Okay. Then we have another package. You can't get in there. Get out of there. Put that box back. Put those boxes back. Okay, so Julia hair, and I have what? Malaysian Jerry curl of like really curly hair, and another frontal. Okay, so 3 bundles of that. Boy, get up. You are a very bad host. Yeah, you are a bad host. Definitely. Let's see. This is, I'm not really sure what. Okay, so this is Wig Encounters. Ouch. Come here, host. So I got a wig, another lace wig from Wig Encounters. Let's see what they sent me. Okay, so this is their Indian Remy Natural Black, 18 inches. Hair density is 130 and 150 in the back. Pre-plucked hairline. So I don't remember what this looks like, but I got a wig from them. They have some pretty good wigs. This is the wig with the bang, okay? Yes, now I remember. Let's see how that's gonna work out. I think your mom went to charged it. Oh, you can't open those, boo. Are you hosting or no? Because you're not helping any. Another box. This is also from FedEx. Best Lace Wigs, okay? I haven't done a video with them in a long time, so let's see what they sent. So, Best Lace Wigs. This feels awful heavy. Like, that's a lot of hair. Okay, so I got a brush, an elastic band, some wig caps, collect cash, and then the actual wig. This wig is 180% density, loose curl, Indian Remy hair, and I don't really know the inches. But it is. I always gotta do a whole bunch of stuff when I come back. So this, you got a mint. Best Wigs has some really nice wigs too, so excited about that. Grandma's sleeping. She's taking a nap. Yeah. You want a mint?
Yes. Yes, a mint.
What about for me?
No, doggy.
Mumsy doesn't even eat the mints. So what are you talking about? You're a horrible host. Let me see that box over there. Okay, so this is definitely hair. I can feel it. No, that one over there. Okay, so we got some more hair from, you are so crazy. Young Tae hair. I don't know how to say that. But this is some loose wave hair. Oh, it came with some beauty blenders, some eyelashes. I don't really want to open this up. This is what I wanted to open up. Zuri sent some hair too. Okay. So, Zuri sent, this is their new collecciones. Look, you like it? You do? This is their only Brazilian virgin Remy hair. Body wave. Comes with 3 bundles. 14, 16, and 18. Looks pretty. It is only Brazilian. 100% unprocessed human hair by Zuri. And then they sent me a closure with it. I don't know if I really want to use this closure because I don't really like these kind. But we're going to go ahead and see how it looks. But this is nice. This is really, really nice. Oh, this is another wig from Oxeye Girl. Oxeye Girl. You know who they are?
Open?
You want to open?
Yeah.
What do you know about Oxeye Girl? Take it out. Oh, we got another wig. Another wig. This one, you gonna dance? This one is a body wig by Oxeye Girl. They got like really cheap, affordable lace wigs. So definitely guys check them out. I already did a video on them. What's this? We gotta show what it looks like. This is nice and red. What is this? Who is this from? This is from Britain. You holding away? This is from Britain. Yeah, let's see what it is from. So it says it's from Great Britain. Great Britain. Great Britain. You know, Great Britain. This that braid wig. Ooh, this is the braid wig. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at this. This is from Hair to Please, the UK hair. Look at this. UK. This is so pretty. Look at this. Look at this. They sent me a wig cap, and this is their Senegalese twist. Oh my God, I did not know they were this small. Look at this, Tinky. Look at this. Look at this. Now put that back. Look at this wig. Oh my God. It's got elastic bands sewn in it. And it's on a wig cap. These women take their time out to twist these braids. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my God. And it smells so good. Oh my God. I've never seen such tiny, tiny Senegalese twist. This is like micro tiny. These are so pretty. And it has a lace piece here. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. This is very pretty. And it's from Hair to Please UK. So I'll definitely be doing a video on that soon. Oh my God, it's like 1 million braids in this. This is really nice. I don't know how they do this, but this is nice. Wow. Tinky, take that box off your head. This is really nice. Wow. Look at this braid wig. Okay. I had one before and I don't even want to talk about it. But this is really pretty. This one is super duper nice. What else we got? We are all done. Hey. Yes, we saved the best for last, which was the braid wig. And he even sent me a wig cap with it. Yes, we saved the best for last. No, we already did that. Well, we did that. Well, I don't know what's at my post office box, but yeah. We saved the best for last. So, gotta say goodbye. Go, King, get a box. Say goodbye to everybody because we gotta go. We gotta bring Uncle Wuzz to work.
Goodbye, guys.
Say bye. Say bye, everyone.
Bye. You must sit up.
No, you can't do that. You can't touch it. Just gotta say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say see you later, Diva. Say Diva and Divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe.
Goodbye.
Rate.
Rate.
Comment.
Comment.
Subscribe.
Goodbye.
We love you.
Love you.
Mwah.
No.
Stay pretty.
Pretty.
Ow. Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, no.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
No.
Sorry. Sorry.
I think I'm blind.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
You think I should edit that out?
Sorry.
You whacked the hell out of me just now. My eyes tearing.
But look at those.
I'm gonna fight you.
No.
You just whacked the hell out of me.
Down.
No, I don't need you to touch my camera.
Down.
No, look at my eye. It's bleeding.
I'm sorry.
My eye is turning black.
I'm what?
Yeah, you punched me in my eye. You like whacked the hell out of me.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Oh, yeah, black.
It hurts. It hurts. You hurt me.
No, I black too.
Your eye black too?
No red.
You want me to blacken your eye? Oh,
No red.
you whacked the hell out of me. Go get your shoes on. You coming with me
Oh, yeah.
to take Uncle Walter to work?
Yes.
Can I even see the drive?
Yes.
Oh my God, he tried to blind me. Damn, he whacked the hell out of me. This was like a good unboxing until the very end. No, I don't want those. I got on flip-flops.
Oh. Okay.
He's a horrible host. You're like a horrible host.
Someone.
No, I don't need those. I have my own. Just leave me alone and get your shoes.
Got it.
Damn. Don't put them in there. Take them out. I don't even know if I can see the drive anywhere. He just whacked the hell out of me. Oh, God. Tinky, my eye is swelling up. So you can say it's sorry? Alright, you guys.
Got it.
That's it for this video. Tinky just blinded the crap out of me. I mean, like, my pupil in my eye socket is probably going to fall out by the end of the night because he whacked the crap out of me. So, we'll see you soon. Say bye, Tinky.
Bye.
Nobody can see you.
Got it. Bye. Got it.
Come in the view of the camera.
Bye. No, Raymond.
Grandma's sleeping.
Yeah. Go bye-bye.
I don't know if she want to go bye-bye. Somebody need to see.
Was it you?
Yeah.